What would you tell people who are concerned about the market right now, concerned about the drop, concerned about tariffs and their effect on the economy?
Yeah, it's a great question. It's on everyone's mind. And essentially, last night, what the markets perceived we would get in anticipation of the presidential announcement on tariffs was certainty. Ultimately got was more uncertainty. In fact, we did get certainty on at least what President Trump's and his cabinet's aiming to do in terms of bringing back industry to the United States, making reciprocal tariffs play out, leveling the playing field. But right now, that is disrupting the global markets. And so we're seeing not only the United States sell off about 5% on some respective indices, you're also seeing global markets sell off. And Madison, that's simply because of the uncertainty. Anytime we have uncertainty, markets don't like that. Then we have extreme volatility. So you're seeing volatility rise. And this is a natural reaction, a knee-jerk reaction to this, because we don't know yet how this is going to play out. In fact, the administration doesn't know yet how this is going to play out. It's actually going to take some weeks, even months, for this to settle in and really figure out from just how it's going to balance out, right? So the president, in traditional fashion, overreaches with his ask. When you're doing the art of negotiation, and let's say you and I are negotiating on a car, or you want to sell a car for $50,000. And I come in and say, nope, the car is worth 25. I'll give you 25,000. And you look at me like you just insulted me.
Right.
And I walk away. And then you think about it. And I know that you're not going to take $25,000 because that's not even close to fair market value. But I really want to get you off of your position when I negotiate, just for you to come down from that 50,000. Right?
Right.
So then that starts the negotiation. So what I believe is going to happen is other countries are going to now come back to the table and say, you can't be serious about the 10% across the board on every country. You can't be serious about those high tariffs, if you will. And now the negotiating begins. And that's why it's going to take some time. So this is going to take some time. We're still going to see extreme volatility. I truly believe long-term, if you have a long-term mindset, especially from an investor standpoint, this will play out in your favor. If you buy high quality, good quality, large cap companies that really are selling off at a deep discount for a lot of the headline reasons, we will get certainty at some point in time.
Right.
We're going to see that. It's not going to be like this forever.